Social ba kaayo aning tawag ani? Naapay pa dog park. Anyway, ato sa ilaga atong arrow. Bago ni siya ay ang kuan.
Gosh, that woman fell, cut her hand.
Ano na. That's not good. Oh. That's a big dog.
Yeah,
Nag-
it's a pit bull, a puller.
Nilupad siya kay ngano. Ang pitbull nga arrow. Kusgan kaayo so natumba ang tag-iya. Ay nako. Anyway, welcome to the dog park. Ato sa ipadudula atong arrow dere. Mga 5 minutes. Di ko gusto mugawas kay tugnaw. Hangin pag yun. Ah. Saman.
It's on the ground.
Oh, cool. Can you please grab the kina?
Mom,
need
she
to
has bleeding on her
I know.
finger.
That's a
Very
big dog
big.
though. That's a big dog.
No, but it's not as a half pit bull. She likes dogs.
Oh. Yeah.
And it also doesn't want people.
Baliw ko sa ka. Get the kini daddy cause I need to charge my phone. Sige na, quick ka.
I'm so cool.
Okay. Stay na lang here. O, yun siya. Nahugaw-hugaw na yung tao, no? Magiging yung pagkabira ba? Tagak siya diyo, oh. Ay, nako. Dako kayang arrow as in. So, anyway. Muna yan, dog park. Nice kay sus, naay pang small dog dito. Tapos, ang pikas is dako.
Mom.
How's Aurea? How come she's not happy to see other dogs?
Pit bull doesn't like dogs. Pit bull don't like other dogs.
Oh, really? This dog right here?
No, I'm not looking at the dog. It's like we're looking at it. What is
Social.
happy with this?
Okay. Nabira gid pagkalit ang kuan lagi na ang tag-iya ba sayang ero.
Was it big dogs?
Mhm.
What a white dog is missing on here?
Okay, kaya na dere. Then we had to ano dili man mo magkuan. Go-play mo ka. Narang dako ang ero ha. Sus nabira gid pag mayang
Mom,
yang
It
tag-iya.
says Coco and it says a number.
Oh, that's so cute.